Are you tired of scrolling through a cluttered home screen on your iPhone? Maybe you have apps that no longer are useful, or worse yet, apps that could be harmful scams waiting to catch you off guard. In this video, we'll show you how to easily delete apps on your iPhone. First, find the app that you want to remove and tap it and hold your finger on it until a menu appears. Then tap Remove App. You'll see two options, one to delete the app entirely and one to remove the app from the home screen. If you choose to remove app from the home screen, it will still be available in the app library. Tap Delete App, then tap Delete to remove the app from your iPhone. Another way to delete apps on your iPhone is to touch and hold a blank area on your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Check the app icon that you want to delete and tap the minus sign in the upper left corner of that app. A tiny window will appear and you can tap Delete App and then Delete to remove the app from your iPhone. It's important to keep in mind that deleting some pre-installed apps can have an impact on some phone features, but with iOS 14 and beyond, all pre-installed apps can be deleted. Don't worry though, you can always re-download any app from the App Store. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And thank you for watching.